The family of a Lancaster toddler who died of a fentanyl overdose is filing a lawsuit against the LA County Department of Family Services.
They claim the child should have been removed from the home over his mother's alleged drug use. KTLA 5 Samantha Cortese live in the studio with more on this lawsuit. Hi, Samantha.
Hi, Lou and Glenn. The details in the story are shocking, more so because in this case, the supervisor trusted with the responsibility of looking out for these kids was allegedly there for the drug-fueled bender.
2013, Gabriel Fernandez, 8 years old. 2018, Anthony Avalos, 10 years old. 2019, Noah Quattro, 4 years old. All innocent young children dying under the eye of LA County Department of Child and Family Services. Now, there's another name on that list, Justin Bully, 17 months old, dead from fentanyl. He died while in the presence of his mother, grandfather, and DCFS supervisor at a Lancaster home in February.
How in the world could this happen? Well, there's one answer, because we have a pathetic LA County Department of Children and Family Services in Lancaster.
The family's attorney, Brian Claypool, held a news conference revealing details surrounding the death that are disturbing, including red flags involving baby Justin's mother, Jessica Darthard.
Dating back to 2006, Mom had a first strike in California for shooting a gun into an occupied dwelling. That crime in and of itself should have deprived this woman from caring for children.
According to Claypool, these are two other instances. Darthard's boyfriend died of a fentanyl overdose in front of her 4 children. And she went to jail for a DUI after crashing her car into the back of a big rig. Children in the car, including baby Justin, out of a car seat. Then, the night of baby Justin's death, the social worker assigned to supervise the family was at the home with her own children, while Darthard and her father did drugs and drank alcohol.
It was only a matter of time before at least one child died at the hands of this mother. There were 6 other kids in the home when Justin died. There could have been another 6 children dead.
According to the damning allegations, Claypool says the supervisor was Darthard's friend. He described what happened when the DCFS supervisor realized baby Justin was dead.
The woman appointed by the county is at the scene of the death. And what does she do? She doesn't step in and try to save these kids. She doesn't pull these kids out of that house. When the paramedics show up at that house, what does that DCFS visitation supervisor do? She does a 360, runs out of the house with her kids, but guess what? The cops found her later that day. And you know what they did? They tested her 3 kids.
All had fentanyl in their system. An autopsy report shows baby Justin died from ingesting 25 times the lethal amount of fentanyl. The family announced an intent to sue LA County DCFS for $65 million on behalf of the father and the other siblings, who lawyers say suffered years of abuse and neglect.
I was devastated, I didn't understand. I get that phone call. Who gets a phone call like that? I didn't know what to do. I was just in shock. Hopefully they can change the system. I don't know all the right answers, but I would like a full investigation.
We reached out to DCFS for comment. A spokesperson said the department does not comment on pending litigation. In the studio, Samantha Cortese, KTLA 5 News.
All right, Samantha, thank you.